So guys, like I said in the last tutorial, today I want to show you how to blur your video background like this. How to blur your video background like this. Now let's get started. So now guys, the first thing you have to do is to choose the background you want to use for the video, the background you want to blur. So all you have to know is that in order to make a video background look blur, the video must first of all be in green screen. It's the background of the video must first of all be in green color or any plain color like blue. So if you want to know how to make a video background that is not in a green screen, you want to know how to blur that one, so subscribe to this channel. Maybe after this video, after this tutorial, I'm going to make a video on how to do that, because that is also possible. You can clean a video background without green screen. Yes, I will show you in my maybe next tutorial or after the next tutorial. So now let me just choose an ordinary image here. Let me just choose an ordinary image like this. So you can increase the size, you can crop it like this. You can crop it like this. You can crop it. So I think it is okay now. So all you have to first of all do, you have to click layer and add effect. Add effect, basic effect, and click on this one, Gaussian blur. Yes. So now increase the size and click on settings. So increase the blur level. Can you see now? So you can do it as much as you can. So this is the So now click on OK, and then you will now choose the video. So increase the size of this effect to match the background. So now trim this one and trim this one also. So increase the size of the video now, and then click on this one and boom. So in order to make this one look more better, so I adjust all this one. So now it is done. Guys, it is done. Can you see that the background is blur? You can choose a background, like maybe you want the person to be in another country or anywhere, or maybe you want to use a specific place. So all you have to do is to snap the picture of where you want to shoot the video. So after snapping the videos, then you will now use it for background, then add this effect to blur the background. So now guys, let me it is too much. The blur level is too much. So now guys, can you see? You want to know how I did? Keep watching this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial on how to edit your video. Can you see now guys? So thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel. So my next video will be how to fly in the air like an angel. Yes, I'm going to show you that. Subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications so that whenever I drop the video tutorial, you will be notified. Thanks. If you are watching this video on YouTube, please subscribe. Facebook, Instagram and TikTok, follow us. Thanks for watching.